Remember to follow safety protocols, eye protection, ear protection, and protective clothing. Remember to chock the tires if you are going to engage the air system. Let's get started. Black goes to negative, red goes to positive. Remember to use our battery clamps if you're using the battery. Make sure it's plugged in correctly before you turn the power supply on. After you've hooked up the tester, turn it on by its switch in the back. After the tester is on, ensure the voltage is above 11. If the tester drops below 11 volts, the system may not work correctly. The air pressure going into the tester should be regulated between 110 and 120 psi. The service pressure is regulated internally to 95 psi. Each gauge tick is 2 pounds, and the needles should be stable. Because of how often they're used, the quick disconnects are the first point of troubleshooting for air leaks. To verify the system has no leaks, disconnect the air lines from the quick disconnects. Activate emergency and service air, and press the air leak test button. If there is a drop in air pressure, ensure the quick disconnects are properly seated. If electrical readings are erratic, the most common cause is a faulty 7-way cable. The tester will test the 7-way by plugging both ends into the tester at the same time. The display will show numbers for each wire. As long as all the output numbers show up, your cable is good. If the 7-way has been miswired, the tester will show which wires on the 7-way have been switched. Also indicate if a wire in the 7-way has been cut or broken. If the remote is working correctly, the sending light will turn on when you press a button. The antenna must be in good condition for the remote to work properly. You may need to replace the antenna if it's broken. Replace the batteries if there's no sending light or if your range is less than 70 feet. Make sure to put the batteries in correctly. Putting them in backward can ruin the remote. Remember that each remote is assigned to only one tester and will not work with other testers.